There are two types of breakroom add-on seats: conferencing system seats and presenter seats. Conferencing system seats are used to add extra seating in breakout areas. Presenter seats are used to host speakers in presenter and audience voice zones. Both types of seats will grant users access to Breakroom's conference tools such as gesture and camera controls. Conferencing system seats can also be set up so that users are automatically seated. The Breakroom Add-on Roundtable object includes 10 seats situated around a center conference table. The Breakroom Add-on Stools object features 14 seats in 2 rows. When users are seated, they will all face the same direction, unless the seat orientation is changed using the region editor. The Breakroom Add-on Presenters Standing object features 9 standing presenter seats, 5 displayed automatically, and 4 hidden by default. This means that you can edit the object to add between 1 and 9 presenter seats to a voice zone. The Breakroom Add-on Presenters Chairs object features 5 presenter chairs. The Breakroom Add-on Presenters Sofas object features 3 sofas with 3 seated presenter seats each. You can edit the object to remove entire sofas or individual presenter seats from each sofa.